how do I set up a business plan for a food truck? Well, here are 3 of the steps, and I'm going to go over right now. First part of it is an executive summary. So what exactly is in an executive summary? What type of food do you plan to offer? Where do you plan to sell your food? Why will this type of food be successful in the area that you're going to sell it? Part 2, company description. What kind of food truck will it be? Why are you going to do a food truck instead of a brick and mortar location? Will you prepare your food in the food truck or in a commissary kitchen? That is part of your company description. Part 3, market analysis. So the third part of your business plan for your food truck needs to understand and describe the food industry, identify the needs of your target market, define the size and growth potential of the market, and state how you will gain a large percentage locally. Step 4, organization and management. So this is going to explain how is it going to be structured, who's going to be the owners. For this and more, check out the video down below in the description section for a full overview.